Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX, your airbag light is on, or you're trying to find guys the fuses for your airbag system, stay with us and we'll explain where to find these fuses. A few interesting facts about Lincoln guys we'll share as we go, so make sure that you stay until the end, and how to reset the airbag system. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below guys. Let us know if the video fixed your problem or if you have any questions. Let's start on the problem now. So, right here now, our battery is a little bit weak, so I have to use the jump starter to make sure that everything performs right. So I'll go inside now guys, I'll start it and I'll show you guys okay, how the airbag light stays on this Lincoln. If you want to buy a jump starter guys, check it out, we'll have it in the description of the video below. Amazing tool. Okay, we start the car and after a while you're going to notice that the airbag light will come back on. Okay, and it just stays on all the time guys, all the time. Okay, right there, it just stays on. So how we fix that now? Okay, we're going to explain guys that in a second. There are sometimes one, sometimes two fuses for the airbag system. Sometimes it could be a fault in the airbag system, a bad sensor or something like that. We'll have a video how to scan the system and all that. In today's video we'll demonstrate where the fuses are located. First thing guys, we'll need to go ahead, disconnect our car battery, and then we'll continue. So we disconnected our car battery, now we're going to go right here guys. Okay, and next to the pedals guys you can find that we have a fuse box. Okay, right here we had to push our brake paddle, park brake paddle all the way in, and then you have one thing that you slide, pull that away. Now make sure you stay until the end because there are two fuses that we need to check. One of them guys, okay, it's this fuse, okay, right here. This is for the passenger seat, for the occupant system, part of the airbag. So we need to check this one. Ours is 7.5 amp. And I'll go ahead, pull it out, okay, and replace it with a new one. Ours is burnt. If you need to buy fuses guys, check it out in the description of the video below guys. You can see where we buy that box, the whole box with fuses, super affordable and definitely a good investment guys. So I'll go ahead, push it in. Okay, the other fuse that you need to check, it's fuse number 32. Okay, and it's this fuse right here. Always check these both fuses, pull them out only when the car battery has been disconnected, at least guys for 1 hour, because that's part of the airbag system and it can kill you. So what I'll do, we'll go ahead, reconnect the battery and we'll continue. So car battery has been reconnected. Now I will go inside and let's see what will happen now when we start the car. Okay, it fired right up, airbag light is still on. Then it will go off at one point, okay, and let's see if it's going to come back, and I'm going to explain a little bit about the airbag system on Lincoln and Ford vehicles. Okay, you can see it didn't come on guys. So a bad fuse can cause that, a bad sensor, a bad connection somewhere, but what is good about the airbag system on Lincolns, it's a self-healing airbag system, so after you fix the problem guys, the airbag light will turn off. The codes will still be stored in the airbag computer, so they will be there, you need to check that, but the codes guys will be there, but the light will not be. So it will tell you that the system is working now. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.